everyone, welcome back. This is Denise, and today I'm still in the mood to paint these great big squares. And I know I spaced the videos out so you don't see the linear progression of what I'm actually doing at any given time, so it looks like I'm all over the place with different things that I'm painting. But a lot of times when I'm on an idea, I'll paint like, you know, 5, 6, 7 videos in a similar kind of fashion, and then I will intersperse those with other videos that I have done. And I just get way ahead in my video making because sometimes I just feel extra prolific, and I'm like, paint when we're in the mood to paint. This is just Scotch painter's tape. And then when I'm not in the mood to paint, I can do other things in my little business. I'm using a piece of the Honey Mule paper. Just cut the 3 inches off of here, and then if you wonder what can you do with these, I use them for sample paper, but I also use them for minis, so you can just cut these into 3 by 3 squares and do little mini pieces. And I'm just on a little abstract making kick, so let's kick it. I feel like, kind of feeling like we've done lots of different stuff, but I'm kind of thinking, let's play in some of these Kuretake Art Nouveau colors. I'm just gonna wet them down. So, and I'm still kind of in my, I need to get back to working with little color cards, because when I'm not working with, let's do pink and purple. Let's do these right here. When I'm not working with a color card, man, we end up all over the place. So I'm kind of thinking like, today, we've done like, that one that we did with all the little squares, and then we've done like the big abstract where we were kind of organic-y about it. Now I'm like, let's do great big circle-y things. Why not? And I want to go a little faster because these Kuretake ones, you know, they bleed and do fun stuff. If you get them wet next to each other, they do some fun things. Okay, so do I want this kind of pinky color? Yeah, why not? Just, I'm in a little kind of in a pastel-y mood lately, almost spring, like maybe because I don't know when this will post, but when I'm filming it, it's winter. So maybe I'm feeling spring. Like maybe I'm trying to channel the spring to us. Come on, spring. Alright, let's let this dry, and then we're going to make on top of this and just see what we can create today. So I will be right back. Oh my gosh, you guys. I'm falling in love all over again with these Kuretakes, because look at what fun movement and blooming and texture that we got out of that. Gorgeous. Okay, so I've pulled out, I like this Neo Color 2 crayon, and I think I'm just gonna come in here and maybe do some mark making. Might not have been the best selection, but we did it anyway. I like this pink and I like this green, so I'm kind of thinking that we're gonna do just some marks. I'm just having fun. Nothing specific. I'm not trying to get anywhere specific today. I just want to enjoy. These are the Kingart Mixed Media Gel Sticks. Just want to enjoy what these have done and the colors, and no specific goal in mind today other than just play. And in the end, if we don't love it, we can always make another one, mixing those colors just like we did, experimenting again and just seeing if we got somewhere different. But I'm loving these colors. This is fun. I'm okay with wherever we end up. Kind of gonna do my graphite pencil. It's my black wing matte pencil that I'm using. And I'd say it's very similar to the 14B Faber-Castell matte Pit Matte Graphite, which is my other favorite matte pencil, which they live right here. I just pull the black wing one out more. Then I pull that one out. I don't know why. I love it. I think what it is I like how bold it is, which is what I love about them, because I like a bold graphite. And I like the square eraser. I mean, that's such... I don't know why I like it, but I do. Because it's not round, I guess. Like we all grew up with little round erasers. Alright, I feel like we're getting there. Maybe we want some white. So this is the white Uni-ball Signo. And I'm just kind of thinking, you know, maybe some mark making. Maybe we don't want wet paint on there. Maybe some mark making. Something a little different than what we normally do, maybe. Yeah, that's kind of fun. Just a little different. Maybe we'll do that over here too. Just some little M's and W's basically. It's white, so it's not like super obvious or standing out like a whole bunch, but it's enough that if you get close, you're like, ooh, what's that texture there? Which I kind of like. I like it. I like it. I also want some white Posca dots. Let's just do it because I want it. Just a little bit of white here and there. Ooh, I love it. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay, I'm loving that. Alright, that's super fun. Don't want to throw some gold in? Yeah, why not? Why not? Let's throw some gold in. Just get it started. It's my Kuretake Gold Mica ink in my fine line bottle. And I'm going off the edges so that it just kind of shows up randomly here and there. And then we could do a little touch of gold. You know, I could do, if I didn't want to, well, I like it with the big. Let's do the big. I'm going to do bigger spots. I was about to say I could do it with one of my gold pens, but I'd rather have the bigger gold splotches. This one's pretty. This is lovely. It's very Eastery in its colors. Okay, I'm feeling pretty good about this. Let's try that gold, and I think for today I could have made it there. This could be where I want it to end up, even though I didn't know that's where I was going. Okay, I think that's dry enough for me not to swipe it with my hand. Let's peel and see what we got, because I feel like I'm there today. I feel like this was it. This is where I wanted to go. Now this is funny how I always, if I'm going towards the tape, it gets under the tape. I don't think I stuck the tape down too tight, but that's okay. So just keep that in mind when you're doing yours. If you don't want it under the tape, make sure that tape is stuck down, or go from the tape in. I did that on something else too. You think I would have learned that lesson already, but apparently it didn't stick in the moment. This is pretty. I like it. Totally like it. Pretty, pretty, pretty. And you know, if we look at the color wheel, just throwing this out there, you know, purple and orange are kind of opposite there on the color wheel. So that is very fun there that we have kind of got that red, violet, yellow, green. We went right there with the complementary colors. There we go. You can see it from this side. If we come over here to the to the red violet, and I've picked that yummy complementary cross from each other. Love it. All right, and there we go. A little bit of shine in there. If we get up, we can really see that tiny bit of shine going on. That's a pretty spring one. I feel like we may have little Easter eggs in there. It's kind of fun. Hope you enjoyed hanging out and painting with me today, and I'll see you guys next time.